Are your airbags deployed after an accident? You will need your seatbelt repaired and airbag control module reset. Safety Restore understands the importance of quality and expertise when it comes to vehicle safety. With their highly trained technicians and cutting-edge technology, they will make sure your safety systems are functioning as they should. From seatbelt repairs to module reset and reprogramming, Safety Restore offers a wide range of services for all your post-accident needs. This is how it works. Head over to safetyrestore.com and choose the services you need. When choosing the seatbelt repair service, choose the seatbelt type, whether it's a single stage, dual stage, or triple stage. Then add both the seatbelt repair service and airbag control module reset to the cart. Remove your seatbelt and airbag control module from your vehicle by following our simple instructions and mail it to our repair center. Once we receive your parts, our technicians will begin the repair. When the repairs are complete, we will mail your parts back to you. So, whether you've experienced a recent accident or have an older vehicle that needs its safety systems reset, don't wait another minute. Trust Safety Restore to get you back on the road. Visit safetyrestore.com or call now to learn more about our services.